video. I know I've been slacking on the videos, but you know what, I felt like before I do the shower method, which is all you guys have been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting to, you know, see, I think I felt like I had to make this video. This might imply to, you know, the waivers that have been doing this for a while, you know, check out my channel. Either just because, you know, that they want to see what's going on in the straight hair waiver gang, or, you know, they want to see, you know, some dope waves and new methods that might help their waves. Or for the beginners, this video was made, I kind of aimed towards more the beginners, because, you know, I felt like I was getting comments that I wouldn't say simple answers, but it doesn't really matter. And you know what, and I have different products that I use for different reasons, and to be honest, you don't really need products, alright? You don't need products. And that's why I'm not in the bathroom right now, because this is not about, you know, this is no longer about, you know, what products I use, what do-rags I use, what brushes I use. It's not all about that. Don't get brainwashed in the wave game just because they say, you know what, oh, you gotta have this type of brush, you gotta have this type of brush, you know what? And to be honest, you don't even need this kind of brush. You don't really need even this brush. You don't really need the brush that I really like for beginners. You don't really need it, okay? You don't need it. To be honest, when I first started waving, I was rocking these brushes right here. I was rocking these two brushes. These two. That's it. You know, it was literally one that's not even curved. And it's a Walmart brand brush. And then this one I just got from the beauty store. It was like the Annie's brush. It didn't even washed off all that. This is my hard brush, my medium brush. These are the only brushes I use. I didn't use soft brushes. I didn't use the big name medium brushes. I didn't use any of the big name hard brush. I didn't use any of that, man. I literally just went in. And when I talk about going in, I mean putting in work. And no YouTube waiver can ever extend this, like try to get this across so much that you guys have to put in work to get waves. It just doesn't happen by putting in, you know, my 3 favorite products. Here they are right here. These two right here, you know, it doesn't matter. It does not matter about Curl Enhancer Smoothie by this big brand, you know, Shea Moisture, or the Blue Magic conditioner, condition grease. It doesn't matter. Or even this product right here. It doesn't even matter, yo. This is it doesn't matter. The S-Curl, my favorite product, it does not matter. If you have no products, it does not matter. And I tell you this because I hate for people to ask, you know, what products you use, what this you use, what this you use, and expecting to get waves from it. I get, like, if you're trying to get something from it, like, you know, you're trying to get depth in your waves, you're trying to get forks, all that different stuff. You're asking me different things about that. When you're asking me what products you use so I can get waves, I would literally comment or DM you back, say it does not matter, you don't even need a product. And I've said that so many times to different people. You know, sometimes I try not to be sarcastic. I don't even try to be sarcastic to you guys. It's just so true. Like, it does not matter what products you guys use, okay? It really doesn't. And I cannot try to get that point across like no other way. It does not matter. Okay, you know what, let me back up, because this is the stuff that you will need, alright? This is the stuff that you will need, you know, when you're waving, or that I recommend you get, because it just either makes life easier for you, or it actually, you're actually gonna need it. And to be honest, it's a blow dryer, alright? Blow dryer, I say that's one of the things that you don't have to get, but it makes it a lot easier. And you guys are gonna see why you guys need a blow dryer. Well, not need, but you know, if you want to make life easier, you need a blow dryer, you know, just for the shower method. Alright, I use a blow dryer every single shower method. You don't have to use it. You know, sometimes I don't I don't know, it's floating around where sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but most of the time, 9 times out of 10, I am using my blow dryer because, like we all say, time is precious, alright? I get that you don't want to spend every single tiny bit of your day brushing your hair or just being in the bathroom, even though, you know, the more time you do that, it gives you better waves. But you know what, you got also time for other things, and I get that, alright? I get that, you know, you guys don't, people are always saying, you know, you gotta brush every single second. No, you don't, alright? I don't brush every single second of my day. I brush a lot throughout the day, but I do not brush every single second of my day. I don't do it, alright? Now, the second thing that I would say that you guys need is, alright, hold on, I got this one for you. Ready? Is a mirror, alright? You guys need a mirror. It's just because when you're looking in the back of your head and you brush, you want to get, you know, your crown area. You don't want to mess up your crown area by brushing in the wrong direction or anything like that. So a mirror will help you. And if you don't feel like going out and buying a mirror, or whatever reason, I don't know why, because this thing literally cost me like $3. It does not cost that much. But if you guys are really like short on money, you're really young and you don't have a lot of money, sometimes, you know, I know most of y'all kids out there, you got some type of device that you can use a camera and you can see yourself on it. Even if it's a phone, tablet, I don't care what it is. I know you guys got one nowadays. Like, come on. Like, have you seen society nowadays? That is what we use. So that you guys can grab your phone, use the camera feature, your mom's and dad's phone, sister's phone, I don't care. You know, if you guys are really that picky, you guys hit the camera feature on that, flip it into selfie mode, and you can use that as a mirror if you want to, alright? If y'all don't want to go out and buy a $3 mirror, alright? Number 2 that I recommend. Here we go. These two right here. Right here. This is what you guys are gonna need. In the other video I said, you know, that I don't use a soft brush. I'm sorry, but that was a lie. I do use a soft brush, okay? I do, and I do it when after I get a cut. I don't use it, you know, for a long time, but I do use one. But before, you know, I thought about getting into elite waving and all that, and I was just in the process of getting my waves, and I was brushing my hair, and I was in my woofing stages, I had a woof. These are the 2 brushes you need. And to be honest, a regular medium brush. Just go to Walmart, go to Target, go I don't care, any place that has a brush, a medium and a hard brush, you're gonna need it. Alright, get number 3 on the list, a comb. Alright, just get a comb. Alright, a comb is gonna help for sometimes when you're trying to get the forks out of your hair, you're trying to get depth in your waves, or you're trying to or you're just trying to, instead of using a brush during your woofing, your hard brush during your woofing station, use a comb, alright? You're gonna need a comb. You're gonna need a comb, okay? Don't try to skip that on your shopping list when you're thinking about, man, what do I gotta get? Because I want to start waving. You're gonna need a comb, alright? A comb is important, just as, I think it's number 4. Number 4 on the list, you're gonna need a do-rag. You're gonna need a do-rag too, alright? You know, this was my first do-rag. It was the Dream Deluxe do-rag, my first do-rag, and it lasted me a year, alright? It lasted me a good year until this started happening, you know? Nobody likes when that happens to your do-rag, right? And it's probably because I was doing the twist and then the pulling down so hard, and it probably just, you know, original wear and tear on your do-rag, it's not that big. These are like literally $4 at the beauty store, alright? $4 at the beauty store. You see, you guys are starting to learn that waving doesn't cost that much money. Hey, alright? You don't have to go out and get all the expensive stuff, and there's so many ways do-rag, even though that's what I would recommend you get, is so many ways do-rag. Yeah, but you don't have to, alright? You can keep it cheap and it will work perfectly fine. And the Dream Deluxe do-rag that I have, it is silky smooth do-rag. Don't get the ones, you know, with the weird texture or nothing. Get the silky smooth. It's better for your hair, alright? It's better for when, because for some reason, whenever you're trying to get your hair like maybe softer or more shine to it, that's what your hair is going to look like. For some reason, whatever material you put on your hair, that's what your hair is going to end up being, alright? So if you want your hair, you know, those weird material, that's what it's going to feel like. It's going to feel rough, it's going to feel, nobody wants that, alright? And to be honest, you know, I just never I experienced one thing with those Dorags. It was the first night, and I said I'm never doing it again because my hair felt just so like, oh, I hated it. Just don't do it. Just get the silky smooth. It's not, I don't think there's a price difference at all. You just go for the better, you know, material. All right. So, you know, and I'm trying to think what else is there that I can, you know, call to mind that you guys would need, and I don't think there's anything else that you guys would need. It's just, to be honest, just for you, you know, your waivers. Here's the number one tip that I can give all of you guys, okay? Number one tip, and I gotta bring you guys in real close because this is important, okay? The number one tip that I can give you guys is it takes time, okay? I've said that in so many of my videos, and still people keep asking me, you know, when will the ripples come? And I've been doing it for this long. Guys, it took me forever just to get my first 3 little ripples, just barely even noticeable, okay? Barely even notice it, but I noticed it because I was brushing so hard, and I just wanted one little ripple when I held up that mirror one day, and I was like, oh, I see ripples, you know, I see them, they're coming, and you know, it took me a while. It might even took me a month, just a month, and that was just for my hair texture. If you have a little bit straighter hair texture, it might even take you 2 months, okay? But listen, it's gonna take time, and if you keep putting in the work, you don't give up, it will be there, okay? I swear to you guys will get it if you guys keep pushing, keep grinding, and you guys don't give up, okay? That's the number one thing that I can tell you guys. All right, number one tip is it will take time. Is just be patient. Just be patient. Trust the processes, you know, and the methods and different things like that. And to be honest, even the methods, they don't really, you know, they don't really matter that much either. But okay, guys, but I just had, before I do this shower method, because everybody asked me for the shower methods, the methods don't really matter. These products, all these products, they don't mean anything. All these fancy brushes that, even though I'm giving one away, it's mostly, you know, and you don't have to get the $15 Dorag. You don't gotta do it all, okay? You don't have to. You don't have to. Just keep it cheap. And until you feel like, all right, you know what, it's time to upgrade now. You know, it's time to upgrade. You don't have to go out and boom, all buy, like, spend like $100 just off of wave stuff. You don't have to do it, okay? Just literally, the first 2 products that I ever had, first 2 products is these 2 right here. My S Curl, my Curl Enhancer Smoothie, and I rock with those for literally a year. I'm going on 2 years waving. 2 years waving, I just started getting more product. I just started getting, you know, the Blue Magic. I just started getting the 360 style. You guys, you know, I tried that out. And you know, I'm planning on trying out Murray's for you guys too on another product review. And it's just like, you guys don't have to, okay? And then another tip, because I've been getting this a lot, all right? If you don't, if you're more on the elite side and you've been doing this for a while, you know, and not on the elite, it's just if you got waves, okay? Just if you got waves. If you don't want your hair to curl, don't use Curl Enhancer Smoothie. And when I mean you don't want your hair to curl, I mean you don't want waves, I don't mean like, you know, you're waving and you see like your hair starting to curl up. Don't use Curl Enhancer Smoothie, because then it says Curl Enhancer Smoothie. Maybe you need to go with something that more lays your hair down, like 360 South. But do not, please do not come at me with my hair's curling and I'm using S Curl and Curl Enhancer Smoothie. You got, come on now. Let's use a little, come on, just a little bit, okay? This video, don't worry, the shower brush method is coming in. I just need just one more clip. You know, I love throwing out great content for you guys. You know, I hate just coming out in front of the camera and just saying, you know, you need this. I try to make these videos more interesting and something for you guys. That's just something that you guys want to watch, okay? I don't want to just be basic, okay? I'm trying to take, you know, the wave videos, and I'm trying to be a YouTuber that you guys never seen before as a waver. I want to make it something enjoyable, saying, man, you know, I don't really need that method, but you know what? His videos are so cool to watch. I just want to watch it. That's what I want to do. You know, I'm thinking about pursuing a daily vlog channel because I love making artsy videos. You know, I just love doing it, and it's just something that I just love doing. That's why I'll never ever give up on YouTube. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, you know, and you know what, I just don't want to breeze past this, be like, just subscribe. No, please subscribe. We're trying to build this channel up, and you know what, and I don't think there's anything else for me to say, except it's 360 Woods, and I'm out.